Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND level portable speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, any kind of issues where it's not working right, this factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason, if you're trying to set this up on a new network, on a new device or anything like that, you just want to delete all the old information off of it so we can set it up new. We can go ahead and do this really easily. All we need to do is make sure that it's switched on and it's been on for like at least a minute, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold the forward and the back buttons on the front of the speaker for 8 seconds. Once we hold that for 8 seconds, we can release. That will trigger a factory reset. It takes about a minute to complete, and then you can start it up again. Now you'll need to open up the app again, delete it off the app, and and repair it with the app and everything like that, because this will be like a brand new speaker.